All morning for this story. Imagine if Stephen Hawking could communicate faster than a speed typist. That is what Elon Musk says is the goal for his Neuralink company. Musk announcing Neuralink conducted its first human brain implant with promising results. That is a major step in the company's quest to help patients with paralysis and a long list of other neurological conditions. Emily Finn joins us with more. Emily, this sounds like something, I don't know, straight out of a sci-fi movie. What's this designed to do and who said yes?
Well, this is pretty cool, Marky. Elon Musk, he describes his vision for Neuralink as a brain-computer interface with the goal of giving people who have lost the use of their limbs the ability to interact with their surroundings. The first Neuralink tech is to be tested on humans is called telepathy, and which, according to Musk, aims to allow people to control their phone or their computer with only their thoughts. Musk broke the news on X, formerly known as Twitter, saying the person who received the implant is recovering well and showing promising neuron spike detection. Neurons are the cells that send messages all over your body to let you do everything from eating to walking to sleeping. And when they spike, that means they're showing activity. According to Neuralink's website, the majority of the implanting operation is conducted by a robot. The actual brain implant is about the size of a quarter, but it's connected to 64 threads lined with 1,000 electrodes along the patient's brain and relay electrical signals. Neuralink claims the goal is for people to, quote, operate a computer or smartphone by simply intending to move. No wires or physical movement are required. Musk says the first people who will have access to the device will be those who have lost the use of their limbs. Now, Neuralink is still in clinical trials, so it will be a while before this tech hits the market, Marky.
Yeah, the future is here. An unbelievable advancement and update. Emily Finn, thanks so much.
Elon Musk says his Neuralink brain chip startup has put an implant in a human patient for the first time. Musk said Sunday that the patient is recovering well and that, quote, initial results show promising neuron spike detection. Spikes are activity by neurons, which use electrical and chemical signals to send information around the brain and to the body. It's been a bumpy road for Neuralink to reach this point. The company, valued at around $5 billion last June, has faced calls for closer scrutiny of its safety protocols. Reuters reported earlier this month that the company was fined for violating federal rules on the movement of hazardous materials. Last November, lawmakers requested an investigation into whether Musk had misled investors about the safety of its technology after veterinary records showed problems with the implants on monkeys, including paralysis, seizures, and brain swelling. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration cleared the company to conduct its first human trial last year. Neuralink says the study uses a robot to surgically place a chip in a part of the brain that controls the intention to move, and that their initial goal is to enable people to control a computer cursor or keyboard with their thoughts alone. Musk said on X that Neuralink's first product would be called telepathy, and that, quote, initial users will be those who have lost the use of their limbs. The startup's ambitions include helping patients overcome paralysis and a host of neurological conditions. Neuralink did not immediately respond to a Reuters request for further details.
I'll be honest, of all the things you do and all the companies you run, I think it's all awesome. The one thing that does concern me, and I know concerns a lot of people out there, so I do have to bring it up, which is Neuralink.
Sure.
So firstly, can you explain what Neuralink is and what the goal of it is?
We put a chip in your brain to control your mind. We put a chip in your brain to control your mind. We put a chip in your brain to control your mind. Yeah.